Aleksandre, spreman li si?
Ne,
Ne.
pa ne mogu da lažem.
Dobro.
Bio sam zauzet, radio sam druge stvari. A i ovako i onako, mi ćemo opet da idemo u duel, da budemo najgori, tako da jedva čekam.
Verujemo, izvolite.
Oh, we about to get it just a little hot and sweaty in this hoop. Ladies, let's go.
I know you like me. I know you do. I know you want it. Back of your mind, I know you should be on with me. Don't you wish your girlfriend was wrong like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me?